Hi, welcome to Poly English. My name is Teacher Joyce, and I am from the Philippines. How about you? What is your name? Oh, hi, Liam. Nice to meet you. Can you say, nice to meet you too? All right, good job. So, how old are you, Liam? Oh, you're 6. So, can you say, I am 6 years old? Oh, so you're 6 years old. So how are you feeling today, Leah? Are you happy? Are you sad? Or are you sleepy? Oh, you're happy. So that's good to hear. Anyway, are you ready for our class? Yes? Okay. So let's start. Now, look, Liam. What can you see on the picture? What can you see on the picture? There is a bird. Okay, there is a bird. Do you know the name of this bird? A owl. So can you say an owl? An owl. Great job. So that is an owl. How about this one, Leah? Is this an animal? Is that an animal? Yes. Do you know the name of that animal? Oh no, so that's fine. Teacher is here to help. Okay, so that animal is called firefly. Can you say firefly? One more time. Firefly. Great job. Okay, so for today, Liam, our lesson is all about can only birds fly? Can only birds fly? Can you repeat the sentence again? Can only birds fly? Great job. Okay, so that will be our lesson for today. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there are lots of animals on the picture. Hmm, what animals do you know? Or what animals can you see on the picture, Liam? What animals can you see? A dog. Oh, so can you circle the dog for teacher? Can you circle the dog? All right, very good. So that is a dog. So can you say that is a dog? That is a dog. Can you say it again? That is a dog. All right, very good. So can you make a sound like a dog? Like this. Woof, 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 woof. Great job. Okay, so aside from the dog, what else or what animals can you see? A cat. Okay, can you circle the cat? Where is the cat? All right, very good. So that is a cat. Can you say that is a cat? All right, very good. With that, you get a star. Very good, Liam. So that is a cat. Okay, how about this animal? It has a very long neck and it eats grass. What animal is that? Okay, can you say it again? Giraffe. One more time. Giraffe. Okay, so can you say that is a giraffe? That is a giraffe. Very good. So that is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. Okay. How about this one? Do you know what animal is this? It goes like this. Rawr, rawr. What animal is that? A lion. Very good. So can you say that is a lion? Yes, a lion. Very good. How about this one? The one that's clinging on the tree. And it goes like this. And it eats bananas. What animal is that? A monkey. Okay, so can you act like a monkey? Follow teacher. Great job. How about this one? This tiny animal. And it looks like this. It looks like this. A penguin. Very good. So can you say that is a penguin? That is a penguin. Very good. And how about the biggest animal among them all? What animal is that? It has a very long trunk. Mhm. Can you say it's not an elephant, okay? Can you say an elephant? One more time. An elephant. Very good. So that is elephant. Now let's look at these sentences. Hmm. Would you like to act, Leah? Okay, so we are going to act and read the sentences. Okay, so first, teacher will read it. So this will be teacher, and this will be Leah. Okay, so teacher will be reading the sentences first, and then you are going to repeat after teacher. Is that good? All right, so let's read the sentences. Hi there. Okay, can you say it? There, very good. Are you a bird? One more time. Are you a bird? Great job. Now let's read this. Yes, I am an owl. Yes, I am an owl. Very good. Owls are birds. Owls are birds. Okay, so let's read it one more time. Hi there. Are you a bird? Very good. How about this one? Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Very good. Now, let's exchange. Okay, so let's switch roles. So this will be teacher and this will be Leah. Okay? Okay, so can you read it for me? Hi there. Are you a bird? Very good. How about this? So teacher will be acting. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. All right. With that, you deserve this one. Leon, you nailed it. Do you like the reward? Okay, next, let's take a look at this picture. Let's see. What animal do you see on the picture, Liam? What animal is that? An owl. Okay, can you say an owl? An owl. Okay, so what color is the owl? What color is that? Is it red? No, it's brown. How about his eyes? Its eyes. Is it big or is it small? It's big. Very good. Now, can you say the word owl? Okay, one more time. Owl. Okay, can you repeat it 3 times? Owl, owl, owl. Very good. Okay, so how many owls are there? How many owls are there? Can you count the owls for teacher? Okay, one. There is only one owl on the picture. Now, how about this picture? Whoops. Whoa. How many owls can you see? How many owls? Can you count it for teacher? One, two. How many owls? Okay, so can you say there are two owls? Very good. So there are two owls. Now, can we read these words? Can you say owls? One more time. Owls. Okay, can you do it for 3 times? Owls, owls, owls. Very good, Leon. And with that, you did it. You did it, Liam. All right. Take note, Liam. Remember this. If there is only one owl, you say owl. Okay. But if there are more than one owls, you say owls. Okay. Okay. So if it's just one, you call it owl. But if there are more than one, it's an owls. Good job. Okay, now let's take a look at this picture. What animal? Oh, I mean, how many owls are there? Can you count the owls? Can you circle the owls to teacher first? Can you circle the owls? Circle like this. Oh, circle it. Circle. Very good, Leah. Very good. Now I want you to count the owls for teacher. Count the owls. One, two, three, four. How many owls are there? Four owls. So can you say there are four owls? There are four owls. Good job, Leah. Now let's read this sentence. Owls are birds. Owls are birds. Okay, can you say it again? Owls are birds. Okay, so owls are birds. How about this picture? Oh, a body part from the owl is missing. What do you think is missing, Leah? Okay, its wings. Can owls fly without its wings? No. Okay, that's why we need to help the owl to find its wing. Okay, so do you think this is the correct wings for the owl? No. How about this one? Is this the right wing for the owl? Okay. How about this one? Is that the right wing for the owl? Yes, it is the right wing for owl. So now that we have found the right wing for the owl, can you drag? Can you drag the wing to the owl? Put it here. All right. Well done, Leah. You are such a superb pupil. All right, you're so very good. And you listen very well to teacher, huh? I like it. Now let's see. How about this picture? We are going to watch a video and then after that, I will be asking you a question, okay? All right, then. So based from the video, Leah, can owls fly? Can owls fly? Hmm? Yes, very good. So owls can fly. Now let's read this sentence. Owls can fly. Okay, one more time. Owls can fly. Very good. You are such a top-notch pupil. Great job. So owls can fly. What animals, aside from the owl, can fly? Can you give me one animal that can fly? A bird. Okay, birds can fly. Very good. Now let's read these sentences. Okay. So these are the sentences that we have learned today. So teacher will read it and then later you're going to repeat after teacher, okay? All right. So owls are birds. Can you say it, Liam? Owls are birds. One more time. Very good. How about this one? Owls have got wings. Owls have got wings. One more time. Very good. And for the last sentence, owls can fly. Owls can fly. Okay. Can you repeat it again for teacher? Very good. You are such a brilliant student, Liam. You're such a brilliant student. Now, oops, let's see what's next. Oh, so that ends our lesson, Liam. Did you enjoy today's lesson? All right. So teacher enjoyed it too. You are such a brilliant student. Okay, so that's it for our lesson. I hope you learned something and I hope to see you soon in my class. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Okay. Yeah.